Okay, you got your DYMO printer. Let's make it wireless so you can print from your Mac computers. On the first computer, you're going to go ahead and go into printers and scanners. You should already have the printer installed and working properly to do this. If you need help, we got another video that shows you how to install it. A little pro tip is going to be to go in here and change the name of the DYMO for Excel. That way, if you have multiple installs, you know which one to click on the other computer. But like I said, this is optional. The next thing you want to do is click the box here, share this printer on the network. And for some more advanced settings, you can go in and click the sharing preferences. That way you can have restrictions and such. If you have any questions on this part, let us know in the comments below and we will definitely help you out. You can also change the computer name. This is very useful on shared networks. That way you don't have to have your actual name or anything you don't want being seen to be public. Alright, if you're not on your other computer now, go ahead and hit pause. Spacebar should do it. On the second computer, go ahead and go to System Preferences. Open up Printers and Scanners. Same steps on the last one. And then click the plus sign under Printers on the left, and the printer should be there. You go ahead and click on it, and you wait for the Add button at the bottom to look like it does now, and then you can click on it. And you just give the computer a second to get all the data, get the printer set up with the drivers. I got this error here, so if you see this error, you can assume that there's an issue with your drivers, so you can reinstall the drivers on this one. Make sure your printer's plugged in, and you should be good to go. If that does not do it for you, let us know in the comments and we'll help you out. And that it concludes this walkthrough. If you have any other questions or video suggestions, please let us know.